Crewai versus Autogen versus Langgraph versus Langchain. Which app is actually better? In this video, we'll compare four popular AI automation platforms: Crewai, Autogen, Langgraph, and Langchain. Each of them has its own strengths, so let's break them down together. So to get started, Crew AI is built around multi-agent collaboration, making it ideal for businesses or developers who want AI-powered teams to work on complex tasks. It's great for companies looking to automate internal workflows that require decision-making from multiple AI models. Autogen, on the other hand, is designed for automated dialogue and reasoning. It's a great choice for developers building chatbots, virtual assistants, or AI powered customer service solutions. If you need an AI tool that specializes in conversations, Autogen is the way to go. Langgraph is focused on structured AI workflows, making it useful for applications that require a predictable, well organized approach to automation. It's great for businesses that need precise control over how AI models interact. Langchain is the most versatile of the four. It provides integrations for various AI tools, allowing developers to build custom applications by connecting language models with different services. If you want a flexible framework to experiment with AI, Langchain is the best choice. So, which one is the best? If you need AI agents to work together, Crew AI is a solid pick. If you're developing chatbots or AI assistants, Autogen is a better choice. Langgraph is best for structured workflows, while Langchain offers the most flexibility. It all comes down to your specific needs. And that's my comparison of Crew AI, Autogen, Langgraph, and Langchain.